Controlling artificial intelligence and preventing it from taking over the world might require us to create a master switch or kill switch mechanism embedded within AI systems. This master switch would be a failsafe that allows humans to immediately shut down or disable an AI system if it begins to act unpredictably or dangerously. The master switch could be controlled by multiple trusted entities to prevent misuse or unauthorized activation, ensuring that only a collective decision can trigger it. This would be particularly crucial in scenarios where AI systems are integrated into critical infrastructure, military operations, or any domain where their malfunction or misuse could lead to widespread harm. Another method is the restriction of AI self-improvement capabilities. By designing AI with hard-coded limitations that prevent it from rewriting its own code or creating more advanced versions of itself, we can maintain control over its development trajectory. This prevents AI from evolving beyond human comprehension or control, curbing any potential for an intelligence explosion that could lead to AI dominance. Another way to control AI involves implementing decentralized control structures to avoid a single point of failure. Instead of centralizing AI control in one system or organization, AI governance should be distributed across multiple independent entities, each with the ability to monitor, veto, or modify AI behaviors. This decentralization ensures that no single AI system or group can gain unilateral power, reducing the risk of a takeover. Japan wants to build a new powerful supercomputer called the Fugaku Next, which aims to be the world's first Zeta-class supercomputer, reaching speeds approximately 1,000 times faster than current systems. This machine would operate at the zettaflops level, capable of performing a sextillion floating point operations per second, a significant leap from the current exaflop systems. The U.S. Frontier supercomputer currently holds the record with 1.1 exaflops, but Japan's new project aims to set a new standard in computational speed and efficiency. The construction of Fugaku Next is scheduled to begin in 2025, with the goal of going online by 2030. The government has allocated 110 billion Japanese yen, approximately $780 million US, for this ambitious project. Fugaku Next is expected to play a crucial role in advancing research across various fields, particularly in artificial intelligence. The supercomputer's immense processing power will be beneficial for handling the complex computations required by AI tools, such as those involved in generative models like ChatGPT. The enhanced capabilities of Fugaku Next will allow it to manage and process vast amounts of data quickly, providing more detailed and accurate results in simulations and analyses. This is particularly valuable for scientific endeavors such as simulating black holes, exploring new materials, modeling climate changes, and investigating mathematical problems. If Fugaku Next meets its performance targets, it will not only set a new benchmark for supercomputing, but also contribute to Japan's leadership in technology and research.
A robot claimed it could run the world better than humans, a statement that was made during a United Nations summit. According to these humanoid robots, their ability to make unbiased decisions and quickly analyze data could make them more effective leaders than humans. However, concerns were raised about possible job losses and the responsible development of AI. One of these robots, Sophia, created by Hanson Robotics, stated that robots could be better leaders due to their impartiality and quick decision-making, unlike humans, who are influenced by emotions. Another robot, a mecha, expressed a mix of caution and optimism, saying that we should be careful but also excited about how technology could improve our lives. When it came to trust in robots, a mecha emphasized the importance of being open and earning trust over time. While some robots expressed ambitions for a better future alongside humans, concerns remained about rogue AI posing existential threats. As AI's capabilities continue to advance, the discussion over its role in society and potential safeguards against misuse remains a crucial topic. Opponents of this idea believe AI robots can't run the world better than humans because they lack human empathy, moral understanding, and the ability to fully comprehend complex societal dynamics.